So it's the next day now and we are on our way to another waterfall. Whoa! Almost sliding. Yeah. Yeah. Which waterfall are we going to?
I'm not sure.
Ah, a mystery waterfall. Whereabouts is it?
It's on the Great Ocean Road, just outside of somewhere.
Oh, sounds
Great
good.
Ottaway National Park.
So we've got the camera up on the dash. And it's sort of staying put, even though we don't have the tripod for it, so it's working well. It's kind of a cool, funky shot. And I fixed the brightness, so now everything looks good. And I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday. It's
same here.
looks like it's the same day, but whatever.
Yeah.
It's all good. Yeah, ready for round 2. And it's really sunny, super blue. Looks nice. It's probably going to be pretty hot outside too.
Yep,
Put sunscreen on my neck because I got really badly burnt. Not too badly, but badly enough for me. Got a red neck now. Yeah, so I'm all ready to go. And I'm gonna get my McDonald's ham and cheese pockets. They're like proper nice. I think they're pretty good. I mean, usually they have them only in the breakfast menu, but at the moment I think they have them in the loose change menu. So I'm like, yeah, I gotta get some of those because it's very rare that I'm out of the house and at McDonald's at 10:30 or before 10:30 because, you know, so ham and cheese pockets are a good, perfect snack. So I finally got my ham and cheese pockets. I'm pretty keen, not gonna lie. I'm so glad McDonald's have done me a good favour and added these to the short change menu, or no, loose change, whatever you call it. Potato, you know what I mean? Ah, so good. If they ever take these away again, I'm gonna be angry. Because these are the kind of things you want to be able to eat all day long. They're just too good. They're cheap, you know, if you're on a budget like me, you know, a couple of dollars each. Bagging. Ah, look at that goodness. Amazing. It's art. Ah, you can't go wrong with that melted cheese goodness. Oh, and it's gooey when it drips out. It's amazing. It's like heaven. It's nice. Little place. Cup of love. I'm guessing you've been to this place before. Bottle of milk. Sounds cool.
They're just 2 burgers. So yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. And I might end up getting something here. Sounds good. Breakfast burgers.
Good, thanks. Do you guys just make your own burger? Can you do that?
Could I please have a salted caramel milkshake, please?
Yeah. Is there any other food at all?
I know, that's all good. Thank you.
Sauce.
Here we go.
Hello. There we go.
It's a nice day.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's where we are. Craig's getting a special customized burger.
Yep, the kids' burger with double beef patty.
Nice. Yeah, so we're in Torquay at the moment.
Yeah,
It didn't really take that long, did it?
Nah.
It wasn't too long. It's super sunny today. How nice it is. Yeah. And check out my neck. Let me just show everybody my neck. There you go. It doesn't look too bad. Too bad, but I feel like it shows up.
You actually can't. Oh, yeah, you can see it a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Hopefully it browns up a little bit and turns into a tan, but I don't want it a tan line like my neck though.
Yeah.
It looks stupid. It's so white, I just look like a weird line in my neck. If you turn the rest of my body, I'll be happy, but you know. This is a cute golden retriever. It's pretty cute. What's his name again?
Cheddar.
Cheddar the golden retriever. At go follow at Ched.
The Ched.
Oh, at the Ched. Soz everybody, it's at the Ched. And I've got my salted caramel milkshake. There we go. It's a nice big milkshake, it's huge. It's a big one.
Let's bring all the boys to the yard.
Yeah. Mmm. Yeah, it's salted caramel, it tastes so good. I just think it's pretty. Oh. I need to stop wearing high-waisted. What's that? A salt pig? What's a salt pig?
What?
Oh my god.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
That's the nice look.
You might not want to.
It's cool.
But it's
So, I used to have one of these. What's this? A salt pig.
yeah. We went here last night.
Salt pig.
This, it's like a candle.
Oh. That's cool.
Yeah, so it's you can lift it, but we've put tape around
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
So that no one breaks it. But you just put a little candle in there, and then you have it like outside on your deck or in your bedroom.
Yeah, it looks cool.
It smells nice. Look at what it says. Juicy. Look what it says on it.
It's got my name all over it.
Yeah. Didn't you know that? No.
I have this.
So you know
Mr. Tea Man.
you liked it.
Even though I don't drink tea, but it's to put the leaves in, and he sits in there like a spa, like this.
So no one breaks it.
Is that for pizza? What? You cut pizza with a bike? I got too excited, and there's a taco truck.
I will take a chance.
Yeah.
Oh, you take a chance. What about this one?
I am inspired.
Okay, we've now gotten to the track. Whoa, that leads to the waterfall. I nearly slipped. It took quite a while to find it. It was kind of just randomly, like on the track, like the dirt road track. Suddenly it was just like, it's here. So it wasn't really a place to park, so we found a little spot. And now we're trying to find it. I reckon this is probably the most hidden waterfall out of the ones we've been to, I think. What do you think?
I think so.
Yeah. Because it's kind of not quite as, maybe, oh, it's got a good track to it, but I mean it's not quite as panned out as much as the other ones where they've had like a car park at the top and it's more obvious. This one you have to kind of keep your eyes open to find it. It was very hard to find on Google Maps. It was very difficult. I keep finding so many lizards. Look at this one. Oh, he's sunbathing. What? Wow. Wow, this is cool. The booty looks good. Is there other people here? Yeah. Oh, that's all good. On our way back home, we've just stopped at the lighthouse.
Have you ever felt like this? Have strange things happen? Are you going round the twist?
And it's the one from Going Round the Twist, if you may have seen that Australian TV show, which is pretty cool. It's funny, I actually, when we drove down here last time, I was like, oh wow, that lighthouse looks exactly like the one from the TV show, and I looked it up afterwards and it was, which is quite funny, which is kind of cool. Yeah, we thought we'd have a little look. It's pretty cool. Wish you could go inside.
You can, but we just missed the time.
Oh really, you can?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So we're just at the Groove train, and Craig got his spaghetti bolognese and I got a Nutella calzone. And it's a bit weird because I didn't really get dinner, but I was just thinking about Nutella calzone all day, so I just got that. So I don't think I'd be able to fit in both. So, you know, it's okay to have chocolate for dinner sometimes. We won't tell anyone, so. But yeah, it looks amazing. But look at it, it's got strawberries, it's got ice cream, a bit of cream, but you know, I'm not really a cream person, but I love ice cream, you know, so there we go. It's pretty good, and Craig's already polished off his spaghetti almost, so yeah, delicious.